E-numbers are codes for substances which can be used as food additives for use within the European Union and Switzerland. They are commonly found on food labels throughout the European Union. Safety assessment and approval are the responsibility of the European Food Safety Authority. Having a single unified list for food additives was first agreed upon in 1962 with colors. In 1964, the directives for preservatives were added, 1970 for antioxidants and 1974 for the emulsifiers, stabilisers, thickeners and gelling agents. Numbering scheme. The numbering scheme follows that of the International Numbering System as determined by the Codex Alimentarius Committee, though only a subset of the INS additives are approved for use in the European Union as food additives. E-numbers are also encountered on food labeling in other jurisdictions, including the Cooperation Council for the Arab States of the Gulf, Australia, New Zealand and Israel. They are increasingly, though still rarely, found on North American packaging, especially in Canada on imported European products. Colloquial use. In some European countries, E-number is sometimes used informally as a pejorative term for artificial food additives, and products may promote themselves as free of E-numbers. Since many components of natural foods have E-numbers, for example, vitamin C and lycopene, this is incorrect. Presumably, the intent is that the ingredients list does not list any food additives by E-number, that is, pure forms of the substances are not intentionally added. Classification by numeric range, NB, not all examples of a class fall into the given numeric range. Moreover, many chemicals, particularly in the E400 to Euro499 range, have a variety of purposes. Full list. The list shows all components that have or had an E-number assigned. Not all additives listed are still allowed in the EU, but are listed as they used to have an E-number. For an overview of currently allowed additives, see here. E100 to Euro E199, E200 to Euro E299, E300 to Euro E399, E400 to Euro E499, E500 to Euro E599, E600 to Euro E699, E700 to Euro E799, E900 to Euro E999, E1000 to Euro E1599. See also, List of food additives, List of food additives, Codex Alimentarius, Notes. External links, Codex Alimentarius, the international food standards, established by the Food and Agriculture Organization and the World Health Organization in 1963, see also their document class names and the International Numbering System for Food Additives. Joint FAO-WHO Expert Committee on Food Additives publications at the World Health Organization, Food Additive Index, JECFA, Food and Agriculture Organization, E-codes and ingredient search engine with detailed suggestions for Muslims, current EU-approved additives and their E-numbers, food additives in the European Union, food additives, food safety, website of the European Union. Includes lists of authorized food additives database.